We love our customers and we work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers, and it's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon.